Good afternoon. Our team represents RTV Flower. My team is Ellie, Melanie, Kenya, Paola, Paulina, and Michelle. Improving strain, RTV Flower. Ahmed, Sting, one streak, potential flood mud. There is not very deep at north south. Potential effect of the fouler is let it break or chip. Severity is 2. Potential cause of the fouler is the size, not the ring one. To support the worry or the matter is of low quality. Is current process prevention control. Is quality of the product. Is occurrence is 6. Detection control is applic of scenting for the detection of mush is endorsed. Detect the texture of the wall is detection 10 is NPR 130 is stain petals is potential flower moth is it no the risk and potential effect of the flower filers is different size and severity is 1. Potential cause of the failure is the method is not the right one. In current process in prevention control is stick measurement and occurrence is 3 and detection control is discard los they don't know raise the misery and detection is 10 and NPR is 30 and stray flower river potential flower mud is it might streak too much. Potential effect of the flower is broken or the dough string or more. Severity is 1. Potential cause of flowering is the applic is not the right one. Current process prevention control is improvise the measurement method is occurrence is 4. Detection control is perform quality test B string the product is detection is 10 NPR is 40.
Since there is a difference between pedal length measured with a ruler and pedal measured with a card, the alternative hypothesis must be accepted.
As the first session, we have a table of characteristics of the experiment. In session 1, we have the type of experiment, which is the factorial design. Then we have the response variable, which is the size of the artificial flower. Then the factors that the card and the ruler will enter Then the experiment unit, which is the artificial flower. Then we have the repetitions that were one on the total measurements that were 10, and to the finish the wall of randomizing the amount of each factor for each of the artificial flowers will be randomized.
In this part of the project, a sample was made that will allow us to confirm which of the two methods we are achieving the objective. Therefore, it was determined that the objective is reached when the ribbons for each petal are measured with a ruler. Therefore, the appropriate procedure for the flower to measure 5 centimeters in diameter is cut 12 9 centimeters long ribbons with a ruler, fold the corners of the slats towards the center, and finally glue each of the petals on a stick around it. We continue with the next stage, with this control.
Control plan. The product is an eternal flower. Here are 3 critical points. 1. Measure the ribbon with the ruler. 2. Fold the glue and ribbon folded. 3. Form the flower. They have requirements of 9, 4.25 and 5 centimeters respectively. And the measurement method is the ruler, with a table as the workplace. The amount of ribbon and petals is controlled, having a simplest size of 10, with a weekly frequency, and everything is recorded in Minitab. Examples of karaoke devices. 1. Measure each petal with a graduated ruler. This way we make sure that each petal has the correct length to ensure that the artificial flower has a diameter of 5 centimeters. This acts as a pokayoke by ensuring that no petals are too long or too short, which could affect the final size of the flower. 2. Fold the petals in a specific way. This method ensures that all petals are the same length after folding, which helps maintain a uniform diameter for the artificial flower. By having a specific folding technique, the manufacturing process in standardized and variability in petal lengths is reduced.
With the support of the DMI tool applied to the artificial flowers, it was possible to create and use the subject change with the purpose of generating the improvement in artificial flowers. With the support of Minitab, it was possible to determine what improvement we could be implementing within the production of the artificial flowers. So, in the stage of demand or flowers, they were reaching with a 3.83 centimeters in diameter, and in order of reach goal that we establishing with a diameter of 5 centimeters. So the indication that we have to take into the account are cut out 12 pieces of ribbon that are measured 9 centimeters each, measured with a ruler, so they are the same size and exactly full of the corners. So the piece exactly, and we have previously specified at the same way.
And this is how we manage the production of the flowers with an improvement with the object. So we obtained the average of 5.0900 centimeters.